Activation and installation. To install the application, you will receive a web link or a QR code that you will need to open on the device where you will install the application. Once the .apk file is downloaded, you will need to execute it. Depending on the device, the application will perform the package installation. This installer application requires a special Android permission, which you will need to authorize first. After the installation, you will be asked to grant a series of permissions required for the application to function properly. You will need to go to the Apps Permissions section, then to Location, and select Allow all the time. Starting from Android 11, you will be asked to grant a special permission for access to all files, which is essential for using the application. This permission is granted manually through the Special Permissions options in Android. After approving the essential permissions, you must enter the license data and approve the license agreement terms. The license keys are valid for a single device. When you press the button, it will attempt to activate, for which you will need an internet connection on the device. Wait a few seconds to receive the license from the server.